Hi. Intuition. That's the topic of this video. Specifically, how to use intuition to get what you want in life, to have the life that you want. First of all, what is intuition? It's an inner guide. The ability to understand something immediately without need for conscious reasoning. You instinctively know it's right. It's true. So, how can you improve your intuition? How can you hone it? Okay, through meditation, first of all. It helps to clear your mind so you can tune in to your intuition more effectively. You notice those subtle cues from your intuition. Wonder, imagine. You know me and my imagination. If you've seen my Instagram feed and you've watched these videos that I've had on YouTube, you know that imagine and imagination are something that I really believe in and utilize for good. Be open to new things. Ask deep, real questions. And you will get clearer answers from your intuition. Clear questions, clear answers. Pay attention to the world around you and your feelings about it. What's your intuition about what's been going on in the world or in your town more immediately? Use your intuition to form an opinion on what's going on around you. Pay attention to the signs of intuition. Some of those are goosebumps, leaving a bad taste in your mouth, something you hear or see just doesn't sit well with you, and quick visuals that pop into your visual field and pop out again. Hunches, feeling uneasy. Just knowing something is right or wrong or good or bad or true or dangerous or amazing. You just get that feeling that you know this. That you know this to be true or bad, etc. Okay, sit with your thoughts. Sit quietly and listen to your intuition. And this can help you make better decisions. Go with your intuition when making decisions. Look inside for those answers that you need. And record your answers, the answers that you get through your intuition, the messages, and write down what you get for a message as well, and also how you respond to it. Journaling can help bring your intuition to the forefront I mean, you can access your intuition quite well from journaling. And I know when I write, I get into the zone. I get into this flow that really, I mean, I don't pay attention to anything else around me. I'm right in the zone. And so journaling, that might happen too. You get into the zone. You get into this flow that helps you contact or helps you get in touch with your intuition. Listen to it and take action on your intuition. Yes, listen to it, take action. And also, as you do pay attention and take action on your intuition more and more, it gets stronger. It's like a muscle. It gets stronger as you use it. So use it and see where it goes. See what it can do for you. See the results it brings. And have trust in yourself and your intuition. And you'll be rewarded by a stronger intuition again. You use it, it gets stronger. And you come up with answers maybe faster. The intuition, pops up. This answer will come up in your intuition faster as you use it more. Okay, so what can you use your intuition for in a positive way? To achieve goals, to make decisions, solve problems, make life plans, the ones that are really true to you. Those plans, those things that you really are meant to do. Things that are exciting and that you find purpose in. And you'll follow your values. Intuition helps you follow your values. Most likely the ideas they're giving you, they jive with what you believe in, what's true to you at your core. So, have you had experiences with intuition? You followed your intuition, and what happened? Was it good? Was it bad? Was it indifferent? What did you think, of the experience? And have you used your intuition a lot over your lifetime? Or is it new to you? Let me know. My email is amy@acnlifecoach.com, or you can comment below. Have a great weekend and practice using your intuition and see what you come up with and see what happens. Let me know. Take care. I'll catch you again next week. Bye-bye.